Good morning. I'm going to show you how to make my favorite apple spice vanilla latte in the morning. I'm going to start with 12 ounces of hot water. I don't like to microwave this product, so I am going to just start that way. I have my Chayote squash compote, which tastes like apple cinnamons. I'm going to put 2/3 of a cup in here, so it makes really a hearty drink. I always put extra water in my packets. I just like them better that way. It also gives you a little more volume to drink. So I have the vanilla drink mix here, and this is a great option here. You have a net of 2 carbs and only 90 calories with 18 grams of 90% absorbable protein, full amino acids. So I like to put my packet on last, and I love this handy little frother. We sell these in our office. You can also get them on Amazon, and I'm just gonna keep frothing this, as I am putting the packet in here. So this is my morning drink, and I love it. It's hearty, it fills me up. The Chayote squash, when you cook it down, and there's, I'll put a link below the video for the recipe, but I make it in my Instant Pot, and it's super yummy. You can put it in your baking, so if you wanna make cookies, use that as a moistener, and it makes them moistest, just different kinds of cookies. And again, you know, using the vanilla, or I like the vanilla chai package with my Chayote apples. It's such a nice, warm, comforting drink in the morning, and we all like to start our day with that morning thing. So there it is. It is all finished, and I am going to have a lovely cup this morning. As I say, variety is the spice of life. And if you're drinking and eating the same things every day, you're gonna get sick of it. So try something new. Look how yummy this is. And it's in a big mug, it's warm. And on this cold morning, I am going to love drinking this. I hope you guys are all having a great day. Check out all the other recipes. Make sure you subscribe to our channel so you get the latest notifications on recipes that we are making and sharing with you.